Good morning and welcome to the latest edition of the 5G IoT Summit. We're now, I was thinking about this morning, in our 8th year, and it's always been a great success at Mobile World Congress. But we have a very packed agenda this morning with 2 keynotes, 2 panel sessions, and bringing you the latest information from the GSMA IoT community. So before I introduce our first speaker, I'd like to thank our sponsors, G&D, Keegan, Talis, and Williot. So without their help, it wouldn't be possible to do this. So thank you very much. Our first speaker is Richard Cockle, Head of Program and the Foundry at the GSMA. So welcome on stage, Rich.
So thanks very much, Shane. It really is an honor to be able to come and just say a few words to you. I'm going to be really honest and say that I'm just here to do a selfless plug for all the great work that Shane does, along with the rest of the group that support him within our membership. They play a significant role in trying to simplify the way that IoT is being deployed. So that's a big picture of me, so I'm going to move on from that. So really, as you can see on the left-hand side of the slide, the IoT Forum plays a key role within the GSMA in terms of defining how we can make IoT more deployable, more secure, and increasing the geographical deployment of the services. Within the technology area, they focus on making sure that we have the right technologies which are enabling that interoperable deployment, ensuring and then making sure that we've got products that are successful. You know, really the dream around IoT is that you can effectively buy an item in a shop anywhere in the world and that will be deployed. And that will just work out of the box. And the team are working really hard to try and make sure that that becomes possible. You know, a lot of those things around ensuring that we're aligning around roaming, making sure all the settings are the same and can interoperate, making sure that the security features within the device are there and in place, and making sure that obviously technologies are common and we have alignment. So to do that, it takes a lot of work and it takes a lot of support from our members. And I just want to take a few moments to say thank you to everybody who participates. And if you don't participate and you're a GSMA member, please do come and get involved in the work that we do. We've done 3 great reports, and these reports are developed by the members. It's not a GSMA writer who does it independently, but it's by the group coming together and taking the real-world deployment examples that they've got and lessons that they've learned and piecing together, you know, the topics which we've got here. You know, how to deploy successful IoT items. How do we make sure roaming works? And really the aim of the group is to bring that momentum from across the sector into making sure that we can fulfill that dream of those devices which will have a long lifetime and just work out of the box. Alongside all of that work, we've also tried this year to pick a focus on how we can demonstrate the value of IoT and taking a big focus in terms of the impact we can have on the environment, sustainability, and all of those great topics that we can see being very, very popular. And obviously, this is such a great message for what the sector can provide. Over the coming year, we're going to really focus on how do we make the experience of IoT, the experience out of the box. How do we make sure that it's joined up? How do we really make it the best customer experience? And the group will continue to work on those key topics to make them a success. So with that, I just want to hand back to Shane. I know we've got a really brilliant agenda. We've got satellite topics being covered. We've got a whole host of great deep dives within the panels that we're going to be having. It's going to be a fantastic day, and I hope this morning is a great success. So thank you.